Hello and welcome to a new video. My name is Daisy. In the previous tutorial, I showed you how to make beautiful paper flowers using the Cricut machine. But today, I'll demonstrate how to make them waterproof, allowing you to use them for outdoor decorations or for floating displays for any occasion. The process is very simple and we need only one ingredient. We are going to use wax for candle making. You can find these ones in blocks or in flakes. Either one will work, but the flakes melt faster. I'm going to use a small pot to melt the wax. Melt it at medium temperature. I'm going to link the supplies used in this tutorial below in the description. Let it melt completely. Cook it for 2 more minutes after melting. I'm going to remove it from the stove and we're going to start waterproofing these flowers. If you would like to learn how to make beautiful paper flowers using Cricut, I invite you to look for my previous tutorial. I'm going to link it below in the description. I'm going to use this jar to place the flowers so they dry. Place a wooden stick on the paper flowers and then dip them in the hot wax. Make sure it's very hot. It will look like if you were frying on very hot oil. If it doesn't look like that, you need to put it back on the stove. Carefully remove the excess of wax and then place the flour on the jar so it dries. This process is very quick. It's going to dry probably in a minute. The colors are going to look vibrant after the wax. They look realistic and they will last for many years. As you can see, the process is very easy. These flowers are perfect for interior or exterior decorations or for floating displays. I hope you have enjoyed this tutorial on how to waterproof paper flowers. If you have any question, don't hesitate to comment below. I invite you to support this channel by subscribing, liking, commenting, and by pressing the notification bell. Thank you for your visit and until next time.